In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in NFL RedZone account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nfl.com/RedZone. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL RedZone. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. So in order to log into NFL RedZone, you'll have to sign in to your NFL account. So make sure you have the NFL account credentials with you. If you do not have your account, click on this option sign up and you'll be able to create the NFL account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can either sign in with a passkey or you can also sign in with password. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option sign in with password. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password. Simply enter the password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten the password, click on this option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the password, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in NFL RedZone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.